The new 2023 Mercedes AMG SL63 is now available for configuration and ordering, just as spring begins. The iconic roadster returns to its roots with a classic soft top and sporty character. The luxurious 2+2-seater is suitable for everyday use and for the first time employs the fully variable AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive. High-tech features such as AMG ACTIVE RIDE CONTROL suspension with active anti-roll stabilization, rear axle steering, optional AMG ceramic high-performance composite braking system, and standard digital light with projection function enhance its sporty specifications. Paired with the AMG 4-liter V8 biturbo engine, the result is a top-notch driving experience. The SL offers numerous options for customization, from sporty to luxurious, depending on customer preference. Celebrating its 70th anniversary, the SL continues its legendary tradition with the latest generation, fully developed by Mercedes AMG. The hand-assembled engines at Mercedes are available in two output levels. The top model, the SL63 4MATIC, boasts 585 horsepower and 800 Newton-meters of torque, achieving 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds and a top speed of 315 kilometers per hour. It comes standard with the AMG SpeedShift MCT 9G transmission, ensuring an engaging gearshift experience with extremely short shift times. The fully variable torque distribution between the front and rear axles guarantees optimal traction, stability, and safety. The SL features a multi-link front suspension with 5 control arms and a 5-link design at the rear axle. The SL63 has a standard AMG ACTIVE RIDE CONTROL suspension with active hydraulic roll stabilization. This system provides optimal cornering, load change behavior, and AMG typical driving characteristics. Active rear axle steering is standard on both V8 models, improving agility and stability. The SL offers a wide range of individualization options, including 12 paint colors, 3 roof color variants, numerous wheel designs, and 5 exterior design packages. The SL63 features 20-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke light alloy wheels. The new SL, completely developed by Mercedes AMG, is being built at the Mercedes-Benz assembly plant in Bremen, Germany. State-of-the-art technology and automated guided vehicles ensure smooth production and just-in-time delivery of materials to the production lines. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share,